Hello everybody, welcome to CJ Adventures with CJ White. I am CJ White, your host. And this is Friday morning, just a little after 7. And here's another round of snow. Look at that. Snow scraper came through about 15 minutes ago. And look at the road. It's covered up again. Let me scroll in and show you. Look. The snow scraper scraped that snow and it's covered the road again. Look, they're all driving kind of slow. They're being careful. Isn't that beautiful? Look at there. They had to drive slow. Beautiful snow. There's the guy that drives that truck. He parked that truck this morning. And look, the tracks is completely covered up. There, his tracks is almost covered up. See, there goes the scraper. He can't keep up with the snow. There's one behind him. They got to use two to keep up with the snow. Yeah, it's a whiteout this morning. It's coming down good. Let's see. It's coming down good. And here is the front. And right there's my car. Windshields was cleared off last night when I went to bed. Now look at it. The car was completely cleared off. I had to run up to the store last night. And that's how much snow we got overnight. You can only see the headlights of that car. Can't even see the vehicle. Unless they get up that close, now you can. It's hard to see that far, or it's a whiteout. So you barely can see it. Just went by that vehicle coming this way. Look at that, you can see that falling from the sky. Isn't that beautiful? It's just beautiful. I wasn't going to do a video, get out and do a video today. But after seeing this morning, I couldn't refuse the opportunity. I love these snowstorms. I just love it. There it is, February the 6th. We're still getting snow. I think that groundhog was wrong. They said it saw its shadow. I mean, it didn't see its shadow. I can't remember. I don't remember if he saw a shadow or not. It seemed like they said it did see its shadow. Because I was looking at the sky and it was cloudy. So how could a groundhog see its shadow when it's cloudy? That's why I don't believe in what they claim the groundhog sees its shadow. There's 6 more weeks of winter. If it don't see its shadow, then it's going to be an early spring. I've seen the opposite of what they said at Gobbler's Knob in Puxatawney, Pennsylvania, where they do the groundhog event. Well, I've seen them wrong many a times with my car. That's one that's hiding partly behind that pillar there. The other cars, they're covered with snow too. Look at that. That looks like a car with no windshields. It's a white car with snow on it. Looks like a model. But it is beautiful. I love snow. Well, I'm going to close this video out. I don't have no protection on this camera or on this phone or on my camera, so I won't be getting out in that snow because unless I'm in my car, and I really don't want to drive on that snow. I think my car can handle it, but I don't want to chance it. I don't want to push it, so I'm gonna play it safe and stay inside. Yeah, if y'all are out there up here in northern Indiana, if you have to get out in the snow, please be careful and drive safely. Be cautious. Because it can be awfully dangerous. I've seen on YouTube videos of different places where the interstate and the highway and all that stuff was shut down, you know, because of crashes due to the snow. So y'all need to get out there in it. Drive cautiously and be safe. If you don't have to get out in it, please just stay home. Be safe. Protect you and your family. Thank y'all. Y'all have a good day. Remember, click the like, comment, share, and be sure you're subscribed. See ya.